Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to get an API key to post from x.com to WordPress. Visit the plugin settings page and click this link to apply for the API. If you do not have an account, register a new account. Click this button to subscribe to the API. The API has a free package that gives 1,000 requests per month. Click the Start button. Click Subscribe. Click the Get Started button. Select and copy the API key. Paste the API key. Click the Save button. Thank you for watching. Plugin link is in the description.